Tutto bene, tu?
Bene, no?
Qua, li voglio segnalare dove c'è la pietra, ma non l'ho vista, ragazzi.
Vabbè,
La ciccio.
aspettando.
Stava piovendo molto anche qua.
Ma non bagniamo, però dava fastidio, capito?
Since I can't read music and everything, I find out that I do the best when I just listen for where I'm trying to go with it and where it can go, and not try to rush it, not try to make up things as I'm going necessarily, just let them come out. Then I'm a lot better off. If I start trying to pay attention to where I am on the neck and this is the proper way to do this or that, then I end up thinking that thing through, and instead of playing from my heart, I